If you or a loved one were recently injured in a motor vehicle accident in Western Australia, here is some important information about how to make a claim. The first step is to report crashes using the online crash reporting form at crashreport.com.au. This is required by law if you are injured. The Insurance Commission will use this information to determine negligence. If you want to make a compulsory third-party insurance claim for your motor vehicle accident injuries in WA, you should complete a Notice of Intention to Make Claim form. This type of insurance claim is often referred to as a motor injury claim or an ICWA claim. After you file the motor injury claim, the Insurance Commission will give you a claim reference number. This claim reference number will appear in future correspondence with the Insurance Commission of Western Australia about this particular incident. If you are catastrophically injured and unable to establish fault of another driver, you should complete an application form for the Catastrophic Injury Support Scheme. If you have made a motor injury claim with ICWA and need help with it, contact Foyle Legal for an obligation-free claim review. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more personal injury videos.